Well, certainly Blackwell represents a whole nother generation that China does not have access to. They have not yet caught up with the Blackwell chip. Blackwell from NVIDIA and similar chips represent a leap forward in terms of GPU, particularly for the large language models, and now moving into large quantitative models as well, models that will help us not just, David, with summaries of documents and creating essays and emails, but now also biopharma, creating new medicines, new chemistry for batteries, things like that. So we're seeing this really heat up with Tencent, with Alibaba, but this also puts multinational companies in a real bind. Apple is an example, and we could talk about that now. Apple is a company who looks for 19% of its revenues from Chinese consumers. So this is a company that needs to straddle both countries. That's been down recently. Apple reported an 11.1% decrease in its domestic, local Chinese sales recently. It's got to shore that up. This week, in fact, they're holding the AI conference, the Apple AI conference in Shanghai. Apple has three major challenges right now. It has got to shore up Siri. Siri sucks, to be just very blunt about it. I think we all know that. It's got to get Siri on track. Number two, its China sales are going down. And number three, it's got to get its M chip to be competitive both with NVIDIA as well as the Chinese chip makers. So it's got a triple challenge.